welcome back to my channel. Hope everybody out there is doing fine, man. I hope everybody's staying safe. Hope you guys can hear me all right. Also, I'm driving old Bullseye today, so you guys know how she is, man. She's thirsty. She's thirsty. But I tell you what, guys, I got another good video for you guys. Today we're watching episode 14 of the build of the 1953 Chevy panel truck. I'm trying to look at the light here. I got a sun visor on my truck, as you guys know, so sometimes whenever I get up too close up to the light, it's kind of hard to see. So everybody's out today. Beautiful day today, guys. Beautiful day. I tell you, I wish I was at a car show doing some car reviews, try to get some good footage out for you guys. But other than that, it seems like everybody is trying to be safe, doing the right thing out here. I know I'm having fun making my videos, getting a lot of good feedback. I think you guys are enjoying the content that I've been putting out. So but today, man, I tell you what, we are working on my side panels inside the truck here, inside the panel truck that is. And I tell you what, I ran into some problems with the material and stuff. I had to get before I started, I had to make a template of what I wanted. And actually my wife came up with a good design of the inside of the interior for the back walls of the panel truck. So basically, since my truck, my theme is after my father-in-law, and it's about my business, the sidetrack tobacco, my cigar business. And since I got my logo and everything on the side of the truck, she was like, why not just make something like a leaf, look like a leaf on the inside. So it's kind of like a diamond shape, and I put a little decor 1-inch piece of wood down the middle. And since I'm using that brown material, it actually does look like a cigar leaf. So that's what we're gonna go with. And but if I had to do it over again, who knows? I may would have done some type of different pattern design, because it's kind of complicated. But so anyway, I'm glad you guys are joining me today. About to get into this video. I hope you guys enjoy it, and I'll get back with you guys towards the end of this video for a recap. So make sure you guys leave some comments down below, and I'll make sure to get back with you guys. So let's get into this video. Alright guys, let's go ahead and get into this. We got a little bit of footage to review and go over. I already sprayed that contact cement down, very large piece. If, like I've been saying through these videos, if I had to do it over again, I would have did those pieces in 2 pieces. But that is, first time doing this, and like you said, you learn from your mistakes sometimes, and I still think it turned out pretty good, but I know I could have done a better job on this here. So it was kind of hard to come up with a design with this panel because it was so long, and as far as the width of the truck. But there I had to curve the edges back in the back, because that's where the curvature of the panel truck is kind of at a weird angle there. But me and Counts, we kind of came up with this design, and of course my wife, she kind of approved of it because she said it looks like a cigar leaf. So she put the final decision on making this panel like it is, and I think it turned out good. That's the bottom piece there. That's actually 3 pieces together. This foam, we used foam board, and then I wrapped it. And of course, you see that big center piece there that looked like that little football shape. Of course, we're gonna have to put a design in that, and we'll wrap that as well.
and it just really looks three-dimensional once it goes up on the wall.
Hey guys, we're midway through episode 14 of the build. Hey, I tell you what, wrapping these side pieces are no joke. But I know I got a lot ahead of me and stuff, and I made a few little rookie mistakes, man. Because once this contact cement sticks down on this board, you try to raise it back up, it kind of separates the material, and it kind of leaves like little bubbles in there. There's no way you can actually get those bubbles out, man, and it's just so much material. So I'm gonna go with the flow and about to start wrapping this side pieces. So hopefully you guys hang out and see the finished product. Make sure you guys leave some comments down below of what you think about these panels. Also, see if, give me some some good comments, man. Let me know if I could have, or if you would have done them differently. Because like I said, this is new to me as far as wrapping these side pieces, and I know there's an easier way to do it and stuff, but this is the way I know how. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my foot forward and try to do the best I can, and you guys let me know what you guys think. So let's get back into this video.
All right, guys, so that's the other piece that I was telling you that was gonna fit behind there. Basically the same thing I use. That it's called a foam board, and I put a wooden strip down the middle of it just to break it up a little bit. And hey, this is one thing that I said and why I wanted to make a channel. You're gonna have your ups and downs and stuff, and this is not my strong suit far as wrapping the side panels, but we're gonna give it a shot and we're gonna do the best we can. And that's why I say I know you guys can do it. This is a DIY. This is what DIY is all about, doing it yourself and making mistakes along the way, but we'll get through it. Wow, man, I tell you, I am done with these panels. These things was a pain, but we got through it. And as you guys see, there's a little gap there, but all these little things that you can touch up, I can go back and I can adjust my panels and everything. And I did have to go back and work on a trim around the windlace and stuff, because I didn't want any gaps right there. As you see, that little gap right there, and everything is fixable, but we are done basically with the interior of this truck, and I could not be happier. Now we just got like little things like exhaust to button up and hooking up my stereo, and we are going to be going through all of that stuff. So I appreciate you guys hanging out with me this evening, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. All right, finished the panels. It's not easy.
All right, guys. Hey, we have at the end of episode 14 with the side panels of the 1953 panel truck, the build. And I tell you, man, wow, whoo, that was a mess. I tell you, I think I did a really good job. I think I, did a decent job. First time ever wrapping something that big. And like I said, if I had to do it all over again, I probably would do those side pieces in 2 pieces. That way it would have been a lot easier to wrap, and also would have been able to put my tacks that I bolted them to the bulkhead with. I would have been able to see a little better behind that panel, and I can always go back and change it. But I tell you, that's a lot of material. So I think it turned out fine. I'll eventually do a walk around of the whole truck, inside and out. But I appreciate you guys toughing it out with me and hanging out with me this evening, watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this channel. And hey, also I always forget to tell you guys to hit that notification bell. That way, if I come up with any new videos, you guys will be the first one to see them. So like I always tell everybody, If you got a good cigar, a fast car, truck, smoke them if you got them, baby. Cigar Man out.